Hey, so this is Mike with Imminent Adventures. How y'all doing tonight? It is March 8th. For those of you in the motorcycle community know that that means today Daytona started, or last night, I guess. Tomorrow morning, before the sun comes up, I'll be on the road, headed down there. So hope to see y'all there. Pretty much got the bike packed up. I'm getting ready to roll. She's cleaned up. Done our maintenance, made sure everything's good to go. So hopefully we see you down there. And if you're out there, stop by the Faith Riders tent. You can, for listening to a 3-minute testimony, you can get registered to win a brand new Harley. We'll be over there near the Harley Davidson gear tent. I think it's over at the racetrack. So see you there. We'll give you updates from the road. Bye-bye.